So how do you subscribe to the Amazon Prime on your Android? Let me guide you through it and show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So in order to use the Prime, you need to have the Amazon app downloaded from the Play Store. So just open up the Google Play, look up Amazon, and get the official Amazon shopping app. Keep in mind, however, that obviously there are other services from Amazon as well, like the Amazon Prime Video, which is a streaming service, but Prime is obviously for shopping. So I'm going to continue with the Amazon Prime for the regular Amazon app, but you essentially open up the application itself. Make sure that you are signed in. If not, just go through your Amazon account and you should be able to see all of the information about yourself. However, in order to find the Prime, you can just go to the search and look up Prime as if you were buying any product or looking up something on Amazon, and you should be able to see the Amazon Prime as one of the things which you can buy. So you can tap on it like this, and it's going to give you all of the details about it. So you'll likely get a free trial, or you get the info about how much you're going to pay and so on. But that's how you can start that. You can as well see the plans below, which lets you select a annual plan or monthly plan. So it's up to you, but you can proceed it with that. It's going to give you or move you over into another page. But as long as you have the payment method set up inside of the Amazon, you can just click on start and you will basically purchase that service. So that's how you can subscribe to the Amazon Prime. As I said, that is the main Prime. It's not the Prime Video, which is a bit of a different thing. If you'd like to see how you can subscribe to that service, just let me know about that below in the comments. It's very likely I'll make another video just about that. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you in the future uploads.